If you are looking to turn on Secure Boot in your BIOS on a Windows 11 PC, here's how to do it. First, open Start menu and search for System Information. In the window that appears, scroll down to find the Secure Boot State option to check if it's enabled. If it's turned off, follow these steps to enable it. Launch Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update option. Click on Advanced Options. From there, go to Recovery and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. After a few seconds, your computer will restart in recovery mode. In the recovery window, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally, click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart and your computer will boot into the BIOS settings. In the BIOS, navigate to Advanced Settings. You can click on it or use the F7 key as a shortcut. From here, go to Boot option and click on Compatibility Support module to disable it. After that, return to the main BIOS window and look for the Secure Boot option. Set it to Enabled. If you don't see the option, change the OS type to Windows UEFI mode, which is the equivalent of enabling Secure Boot. Finally, save your changes by selecting Exit and then save changes and reset. If Secure Boot is still disabled, you might need to set the Secure Boot mode from Custom to Standard and save again. This should ensure Secure Boot and your system will now be ready for attacks like playing certain games or ensuring system security. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.